Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your M&T Bank account online. To do so, firstly you'll have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for www.mtb.com and then press enter. This will take you to their website. Before we begin, I would like to tell you more about the M&T Bank. The M&T Bank is a regional bank primarily operating in the eastern United States with its headquarters in Buffalo, New York. They offer a variety of banking services including personal and business accounts, loans, mortgages, investments, and wealth management. Now, before we begin, you will have to make sure that you have an account first. If you don't have an account yet, you may not be able to log into your account. If you do have an account, you may proceed. To log in, you will have to click on the login button in white, right beside the Espanol icon. Once you click on login, it will take you to their login portal. Here, you may choose between logging into your personal or business account or to your commercial treasury center. In any case, if you're here and you don't have an account yet, you may click on the Enroll in M&T Online Banking link right below the login button. If you do, then you may proceed by entering your user ID in the first text box, then your passcode in the second. Then you may click on the box right below the passcode text box to make sure that the M&T Bank website remembers your user ID for any future purposes. Once you make sure that you filled in all your details correctly, then you may click on the login button. This is how you may easily log into your M&T Bank account online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.